the year ones today because we have got a new sound to learn. And when I did my best bet, I realised that we hadn't learned this sound in the phase 5 way, because this normally says an ow sound like in town and down and bow. But today it's going to say an O sound. So it's the very same as our O sound that we know, or our split digraph that we learnt last week. So that is what we're doing with our O sound. So I've just got a few words for us to try and read together to remind us that it's saying an O sound today. O today. So let's have a read of this. So remember, it's saying an O sound today. Go, O, glow. Brilliant. This one we might like to read today. Snow. Snow. Brilliant. Slow.
I said
slow. So here's our best bet with all of those O sounds. So here's our O and an A working together. That's the phase 3 O sound. Here's one of the phase 5 O sounds. Here's the other phase 5 O sound. And here's the one we've just looked at being an O sound. So this is why it can be so complicated when we're doing our phonics with all of those different sounds. So I'm going to say a word and you're going to point or write down. We're pointing, you're writing down at home, and if you're in year 1 especially, you're going to point to where it should go, write it down. So my first word is toe. Toe. So where are we going to put toe? Which O sound do you think is in toe?
middle.
Which one do you think? Where have you written it at home? I'm going to put it in here because it goes in here. So there's my toe. Next one is snow. It might snow today. So where are you going to put that one? Easy, isn't it? Because we've just seen it today. Snow. Snow. And where are you going to put bone? Bone. Bone. Have a look. Where do you think it's going to go? Bone. 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 And what about coat? Coat. I'm going to put my coat on. I need it today. Where am I going to put coat? I'm going to put it in here. I have done it today, so I've put it in the last one. Coat. Next one, next one, next one. What about scone? We just had a talk about scone, whether it's scone or scone, but we decided if we're following the phonics rule, it has to be scone. Scone. And what about load? I've got a big load to carry today. Load. Load. Brilliant. I've actually got loads more words to say. So see if you can think of any more words and fill in your grids with maybe if you could do 3 more on each column, that would be brilliant, and then send me a picture.